Rejuvenate your body with this homemade drink. Staying at optimal best in terms of health includes preventive measures and control of your physiological or metabolic activities. Nature has blessed us with many things with healing and protective abilities, or what we call therapeutic benefits for the health and wealth of our bodies. In this video, we'll make a simple nutritional drink that rejuvenates our bodies for optimal health. The ingredients are just three simple pieces of Aidan fruit, two ginger rhizomes, four cloves of garlic, and a handful of cloves, and then pure honey, which is optional. Now, I'm going to come back and tell you how to prepare this particular drink because there are a few cautions we need to know if you must get all the benefits there are. So, let's look at how this drink rejuvenates our bodies, the health benefits there are. Firstly, one of the major benefits of this homemade drink is the control of blood pressure. Maintaining normal blood pressure is super important. This drink serves as a preventive measure against high blood pressure, and at the same time, it is a great addition to controlling your high blood pressure naturally if you have hypertension. Now, how does this drink help with blood pressure? You see, an extract of an Aidan fruit in a concentration-dependent manner due to its antioxidant status and its capillary function reduces high blood pressure by fighting inflammation in the vessels. The active ingredient called allicin in garlic increases the availability of nitric oxide, which helps dilate and relax the smooth muscles inside the arteries to improve blood circulation, controlling the blood pressure inside it properly. Also, garlic has been found to antagonize angiotensin 2, which is a hormone that constricts blood vessels, raising blood pressure. Therefore, garlic inhibits this hormone, lowering your high blood pressure. Ginger protects against coronary heart disease, high blood pressure by improving blood circulation. Also, this homemade drink serves as an immune booster. You see, ginger, Aidan fruit, garlic, cloves, all of these natural foods have antimicrobial effect. Therefore, they are antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, antiprotozoal, anti-candida, and even antiparasitic. They help with the immunoregulation and the reduction of inflammation and what we call oxidative stress, helping your immune system combat illness like colds, flu, asthma, candidiasis, and so forth. So they fortify your immune system. Another health benefits you get from this homemade drink is improved control of your blood sugar. You see, the binding effect of the fiber content of Aidan fruit to free blood glucose has proven to lower high blood sugar levels. The zinc content with some other phytochemicals boosts glucose metabolism, which is also great for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes for blood sugar control. On the other hand, cloves improve the sensitivity of insulin coming from the pancreas, fighting against insulin resistance due to the presence of what we call nigericin compounds in there. Now, this homemade drink also helps control your blood cholesterol. The potent effect of garlic on your cardiovascular system is super amazing. It has antiplatelet, antithrombotic, and powerful antioxidant properties, fighting free radicals and prevent and reduce what we call endothelial thickening formation, reducing inflammation in the blood vessels. Then again, the high levels of the phytochemicals like saponins in Aidan fruit inhibit what we call platelet aggregation by attaching itself to bile. Bile is that substance that is needed to absorb the extra blood lipids, lowering your blood cholesterol by getting rid of them from your body. Ginger has similar effect like garlic, which works on fatty liver and also increases blood circulation. The next health benefit you get from this drink is massive improvement with digestion. The presence of cloves in this drink increases what we call the production of saliva, where digestion starts from, and so this will improve your peristaltic movements and also improve the secretion of your digestive juices, therefore great for indigestion, gas, and even bloating, and prevent or treat constipation. The enzymes in ginger helps break up and expel gas, treat nausea, and prevent constipation by enhancing the enzyme called pancreatic lipase to speed up gastric emptying. With this drink, you reduce your risk of getting cancer. This is one of the amazing things I love about this drink. You see, one of the antioxidant or powerful antioxidant compounds that fight against cancer cell development is the flavonoid called epigallocatechin 3 gallate. And guess what? Aidan fruit, ginger, garlic, cloves, all of these contain this particular compound and therefore activate a very important process in our bodies called apoptosis, which is called programmed cell death. This process ensures there's no unwanted growth and helps avoid invasion and metastasis in certain carcinoma cells. Then again, the essential oil called eugenol in cloves have been found to be 5 times more effective than normal vitamin E, which is also a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that also opposes what we call oxidative stress or damage. And then gingerol, allicin, and other antioxidant compounds have what we call anti-inflammatory properties that have been found to inhibit cancer cell growth, particularly against GIT cancers, lung cancer, and even breast cancer. So this is what this particular drink does to your body by rejuvenating your entire body. Now, how do we prepare this super African drink? It is very simple. You're gonna get your Aidan fruit right here, about 3 pieces, okay, and then you wash thoroughly. You break them into pieces for easy and faster cooking. You fetch your water, about 1 liter diluted water, into your utensil. Pour the pieces of the Aidan fruit inside the water and bring it to boil for about 20 to 30 minutes under high heat. And then you blend your ginger, your cloves, and garlic with about 200 ml of diluted water. And pour this blended mixture into a utensil about 5 minutes before putting the fire off. After boiling, allow it to cook and filter. And pour this drink into a glass jar or bottle and keep in the refrigerator. When you are ready to serve, pour about 200 ml of that into your drinking glass or cup and drink it. You can add a teaspoon of natural honey to sweeten it. And pure honey is also an important immune booster food with other extra benefits. This is optional, however, and a glass every morning before your main meal rejuvenates your entire body and sets you on a path of healthy living and longevity. So try this homemade drink and tell me your experience in a comment section for at least 2 weeks. And kindly share this video with your loved ones. Thanks a lot. Your health, your life. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.